Who's gonna live in there with you? Huh?
I feed them.
You're gonna feed them?
Water them.
And you're gonna water them?
Yeah.
The chickens?
Yeah.
And you're gonna live in here with them?
Yeah.
Cause why? Are they your best friends?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, see you later. See you later.
Daddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Can I come into your house?
Sure.
Let me in. Show me around. Ooh, nice house.
And chickens are my best friends.
Are they?
Yeah, I feed them and water them.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Good girl. Proud of you.
And feed them.
They're gonna be your chickens, hey?
Yeah.
That's good.
So take care of them too.
What?
So take care of them.
You're gonna take care of them?
Yeah.
Good girl.
I'll be back.
Okay.
You stay here.
Okay.
Come in, Mommy.